Across the world, operating theatres form the backbone of all surgical interventions in hospitals. Maintaining sterile environment is a priority. Sensor-based technology keeps MEOT's theatres sterile. Staff first go through a jet shower and then step into epoxy-lined sterile corridors to the theatres. These sensor-based automatic wash basins at the scrub station are designed for surgeons. They are ergonomic, user-friendly, and come with thermostatic mixers. The surgeon now enters the theatre using his elbow or foot to tap open the stainless steel door.
Today, an operation theatre is an amalgamation of surgical artistry and amazing cutting-edge technology. Technology that is so precise and efficient that it combines all the requirements of the surgeon into one single area. So the surgeon can focus on making the patient better and saving lives. The walls and the ceilings of this modular theatre are lined with the laminates that are almost jointless.
They are designed to hold utilities like pipes and conduits within the panels itself so that everything is flush. With virtually no edges where germs can hide, these panels are 99.9% bacteria-free. They can be removed, sterilized and placed back without disturbing the rest of the accessories even after 5 years. This is the pass-through box cabinet system. It has 2 smart boxes that handle the entry and exit of sterile and soiled material. They have doors that open at both ends and indicator lights on the top. Once the material has been loaded and the doors are closed, the lights get activated. Only then can the nurse at the opposite end open the doors. This ensures that no germs enter the theatre during the movement of material.
The MEOT theatres have the most sterile air conditioning systems in the world.
The laminar airflow sealing keeps an optimal clean airflow going. The HEPA filters installed screen out the minutest of dust particles and keep the air fresh by circulating it 300 times a minute. Together, they keep the theatres sterile and comfortable.
And here we have the X-ray viewer machine, so critical for surgeons.
Set into the modular walls, it can display X-rays in a landscape or vertical format. Brightness can be adjusted and light can be focused on the required image area alone. The electrical control panel integrates OT lights, air conditioning, medical gas, the clock, and even an alarm. All of this can now be controlled by the surgeon from the operating table by a mere touch on the surgeon's control panel.
And now we come to the architectural element, the pendants. They hold all the equipment required by the anaesthetist and the surgeon that is required during the operation.
We are the only hospital in the country to install a customized assembly of triple-armed pendants in all operating theatres. 2 for the anaesthetist and a single arm for surgeons. Today, anaesthetists and surgeons need instant access to patient records, lab results, scans and MRIs even as they operate. The state-of-the-art anesthesia workstations at all 10 operation theatres in MEOT are integrated with the Infinity Gateway network, giving easy access to patient data via remote view, web and PC. It improves surgeons' decision-making tremendously.
And now for the operating table, where all the action happens. The operating table is a very important part of the theatres at MEOT.
This carefully chosen range has an eccentric column that gives the tables a sleek look and makes them extremely flexible. The table can be maneuvered and changed to suit all possible procedures during surgery. it can be easily operated by the entire team and caters to all weights and surgical applications.
And finally, we come to the LED lighting and the integrated video management system.
The integrated video management system has a high-definition camera with the latest features. Its brilliant reproduction and better recognition of detail is of immense help to surgeons. Its SDI recording system captures and transmits action live to the console outside, from where it can be beamed to a remote center or stored as required. At MEOT, we have dedicated 58,000 square feet of space to create 10 of these state-of-the-art operating suites and an 80-bedded surgical ICU. They integrate some of the world's most advanced systems in operating theatre technology today. Combined with the latest techniques that our surgeons use at MEOT, we can now offer our patients